Wow! Freshly cooked always.
So ayun na nga guys, naka-receive nga tayo dyan ng order through Talabat ng 1 beef papaitan. So bali regular customer pala natin si Madam guys, at umorder siya ng beef papaitan sa GFH Street Restaurant. Bali ginamit ni Madam ang gem discount niya sa Talabat guys, kaya nakasave siya ng tender ham sa GFH Street Restaurant. Taga Garden City si Madam guys. So hello to all regular customer of GFH Street Restaurant in Garden City, and thank you so much Madam for ordering and supporting GFH Street Restaurant. So ayun guys, pinaprepare na namin ang fresh ingredients dyan for beef papaitan. Meron na yan fresh garlic, onion, ginger, fresh beef heart, beef lungs, and beef tripe guys. So ayun guys, once again, once you order your food, that's the time only we cook and prepare your food, so you can guarantee your food have good quality and safety food for your happiness and satisfaction. Good food, good mood. Everyday fresh, quality goods. So ayun guys, naalala ko lang dyan yung pick up line ko dati sa kaming kahera guys. Sabi ko knock knock, sabi naman niya who's there? Sabi ko papaitan, sabi naman niya is papaitan ho. Kaya kinantahan ko siya ng kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang makapitan, papaitan ka sa akin, papaitan ka sa akin, hindi kita bibitawan. Anyway guys, ang tawag pala nila sa akin dati is Kuya Cardo. Kaya yan ang pick-up line ko dati sa aming kahera. Ang alaala ay mananatiling alaala guys, kahit na baliktarin. Bars time. So ayun guys, kung nagustuhan mo tong video to, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. And kung nagutom ka sa video to guys, ang link ng Talabat, Smiles and Noon application nasa comment section guys. Please do check. Please click this one and automatically you will find your GFH Street Restaurant. Guys, still free delivery tayo sa Noon application, and have discount in Talabat and Smiles application. So, and guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube guys. And once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Thank you guys.
Wow! Freshly cooked always, available every day. Your papaitan in your GFH Street Restaurant. Smells yummy, brother. I feel hungry. We have rice. We will eat later. Oh. Nice one, brother. Looks yummy po mga ka-Jeep. 2 orders to believe.